What's going on, YouTube? Top Shelf P checking in. Back at you guys with another update. Since I polished my front and back bumper, I had a few people to reach out to me, wondering if I would do theirs as well. So I went by Home Depot today, upgraded to a much stronger, durable buzzer polisher. And I got a few compounds, some other supplies, and some bonnets to work on. This is his rear bumper. As you can see, it has a lot of oxidation as well as rust and some pitting, if you see a little closer. But I won't be able to get every single scratch out of it, but I can revive it and get it up to driver quality. So that's what I'm gonna do. I probably won't finish it tonight. I will finish this video though. I will add that on to the second portion of it, just so that you guys can get an idea of the condition it is in. But we're gonna bring it back to life. Stay tuned for the update. And we're back. Looks like they came out pretty damn good, if I must say so myself, considering the condition that they were in at first. Get out the light. Get out the light. And of course, I can't get those deep scratches out, but in terms of getting all of that residue off of there, that surface rust, if it's not too deep, I can revive it. Top Shelf polish. Come fuck with your boy. You can hit me up at 662-402-2841. As of right now, I'm only accepting front and back bumpers. I think I'm gonna play with my own trim first before I accept somebody else's. And I'll chronicle that as well, and we'll see how well I do on that before I start accepting those. But pretty damn good. Young Money drop top Cutlass is gonna be pretty goddamn straight for the time being. We just saved him with $800. I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, share.